long as the charcoal has ash on top, the ash works as non-conductor of heat. It does not conduct the heat, which is why Rajipo is saying in the middle and at the end, this is the riskiest. You might not be able to see it, but there is more fire. Only because it's ash on top, as long as the lights are on, if I switch off the lights, you would see that the
reddish.
Yeah, you will see the reddishness. Are you understanding what I'm saying? And as you keep walking, the ash keeps moving away. So the person who is actually walking on it last is taking the most risk. He's going to face the most heat. And now that I'm talking, all I'm doing is I'm trying to make a little more ash. I'm giving it time to burn, and which is why we make them stand there for a minute, so that it forms more ash, and when the next man walks, it actually doesn't touch the burning coal, but the ash which does not conduct the heat. Have you understood what I'm saying?
Yes.
Pure science, nothing else. Can we cheer for him?
Yes.